Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable detailed voice guidance on Google Maps. Detailed voice guidance on Google Maps is designed to provide more explicit and frequent spoken direction. It works best on walking option. So, to enable detailed voice guidance on Google Maps, you need to first open your Google Maps application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Now here you can see your Google account profile present on the top right. Tap on your Google account profile. After this, you will be able to find settings. Now tap on settings option. Now here look for navigation settings. Then tap on navigation settings. Now here scroll down, then look for detailed voice guidance. You will be able to find detailed voice guidance under walking option. Now here you can see small notch near detailed voice guidance. Now tap on the small notch near detailed voice guidance. With this, you'll be able to find detailed audio announcement while you are walking. Now you can use this detailed voice guidance to navigate properly. This is how we can enable detailed voice guidance on Google Maps. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.